There's a view that people don't trust the police and therefore they take the law into their own hands.
My recent research focuses on gun violence. A part of it deals with policing. I spent a lot of time with law enforcement, riding along with detectives, with federal agents. To make sure that it's balanced, I spent a lot of time with community members who are also involved. There was a view in this research that in communities where there was less trust of the police, that gun violence was higher. I wanted to explore that, and I was surprised to find that the police actually trust residents less than residents trust them. And I think that dimension of the research is missing, and I think it's a major insight that needs to be highlighted.
I did my field work, or I did my book, was in South Central LA.
One of the things I love about doing research here at USD is when I'm in the field, I uncover all sorts of amazing things. What I learn from the field, I take directly into the classroom, and I think that benefits students because they're getting an up-to-the-minute insight about things that are unfolding right now. They have these young minds that are open to new ideas, so it's mutually beneficial. And I find the best classes are the ones where I take directly what I learned from the field into the classroom.